Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Workday Inc. And if you look at the stock, first of all there is a big breakout which has happened in this script, so which is very good and very positive for the overall chart. So what you are looking at is the weekly chart, or probably you can consider is it as an intermediate or a long-term time frame. So first the breakout, then we will discuss about the rest. So what has happened meanwhile, that the previous high of 2019, which was 226, has been broken out with a immense price action, and it is very sharp as you can see. And this is indeed very positive, which indicates that there is a big trend which is yet to come, or which will probably come in probably a couple of months or in couple of years. So this 227 will be your first, actually you can consider it as 230 rather than 227 and all. Okay, so this 230 odd level will become 228, 230 will become your first and most important support. Okay, as this was your previous resistance. Now we will take a look of its previous trend first, and we will talk about the forecasting one. So anyhow, before the breakout the stock has already risen 108%, so it means it made a rebound and then made a breakout. And right now, from the lows of March 2020, it has made a bounce back, or it is completely a rebound and breakout of 125 odd percent. So it's very big. Now if things goes in opposite direction, so you should also know some important support and resistance level in between, which could be short term or intermediate or in intermediate term. So here just look at this trend, and yes, so these are your important support levels if things goes south. So first is the overall chart pattern is very positive, there is no denial in that, and the probability is it will go higher. But because this is a fresh breakout, so we can't say about the sustainability. Let the price decide whether it want to sustain or not, or it want to keep going higher, or it will come down and correct. So that is the only thing we don't know yet. That time and share price will decide. So that's why your first support will come at around 228, and then we have 200, your next support level. Then we have 177, and then we have 156, and your previous resistance, which became support in March 2020, is at around one in between 121 to 117 odd dollars. So these are the important support levels which one should know. Okay, it's not about the stock will go down, but it's about the information if you have invested in this stock that you should keep in your mind. Now coming to the trend, or coming to the future course of action, or the targets which we could probably see in the time to come. When I'm saying in the time, so you can consider it for a couple of months to couple of years. Okay, now look at this chart. So there are probabilities, because the way the stock price has risen, it can't continue goes up like this. First, second, if it does for the next couple of weeks, I'm not saying months but weeks, what will happen, that the trend will completely change, and we have to act accordingly. So we have to act according to the trend. Okay, so understand this. So that's why right now we are focusing on the trend which we can see Okay, so one thing about the trend prediction, that try to forecast or predict the trend with the available support and resistance, which is historical, and don't do any exceptional trend forecasting unless it is important to do so. Okay, so what will happen then? Some people uh, draw some imaginary lines and try to predict the trend. So that is not the way to do unless it is very necessary. So don't do it. Okay, you can do it. It's not like whether we can do it or not. Yes, you can, but it would be better if you use historical references and draw the trend. Now here you can see that the breakout has happened from 228, so your next probable target would be around 280. But looking at the movement of the current script and the current pace, it sounds very lame that maybe 280 or dollars will probably cross in a span of 4 to 5 trading days, or even to one trading day. It's not a big deal right now. So this will be your next resistance, and once it crosses this resistance and stock sustains above 280 or dollars, then there will be a new trend which will unveil in the time to come. And for that, actually now we have historical reference, but the danger or the problem is that predicting this kind of volatile swings, which is very high in volatility, whether on the upside or the downside, has does have some repercussions which we can't tell unless things goes in the opposite direction. Okay, so that is the thing which you need to understand here, that if the stock is making new highs and you are making money every day, that is fine. But once the music stops, and you don't want to be the last in that. Okay, so that's the thing you need to understand. But anyhow, if 280 crosses, what will happen is that there will be a target which will in between 350 to 530 or dollars, because we don't know the exact point here. It will be somewhere in between. Okay, so you can find 350 to 530 as your next target once the stock crosses and stabilizes over $280. One thing again, that the nature of the stock movement is very fast, so you should be very cautious, and you should not be the person who wait till last. So understand your risk and take decisions accordingly. If you want, you can just miss the 10-20 bucks on the upside, but you should not be the last person. Otherwise you may lose half of your position in these kind of movements, because the way the stock price is going up is very sharp. So the same thing will happen when the tide turns against you. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.